Let's dive into division. Hey Math Explorers, if you're having fun learning with me, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start our division adventure. We're looking at the first digit of 462, which is 4. We'll use this digit for now. How many times does 2 fit into 4? It fits exactly 2 times. Let's check. 2 times 2 is 4, perfect. Now we subtract 4 from 4, which leaves us with 0, no remainder here. You're doing awesome, we've got the first part of our answer. Time to bring down the next digit to continue our journey. Here we go with the next digit. We bring down the 6, making our new number 6. How many times does 2 fit into 6? It's 3 times. Let's check. 2 times 3 is 6, spot on. Subtracting 6 from 6 gives us 0, another clear step. Fantastic work, you're a division detective. One more digit to go, let's keep this amazing pace. Last digit, here we come. We bring down the 2, and now we have 2. How many times does 2 fit into 2? You guessed it, 1 time. Check it out, 2 times 1 is 2, exactly right. Subtract 2 from 2 and we get 0. We've reached the end of our digits. Woohoo, you totally nailed this step. We've used all the digits and found our final answer. Great job. We found that 462 divided by 2 is 231. Great job, everyone. We just conquered dividing 462 by 2 using long division. Remember, every step we take, no matter how small, helps us get closer to the answer. Keep practicing and you'll become a math superstar. That's all for today. Keep that curiosity sparkling and check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud.